సో డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ను ఈ వీడియోలో మనం చూద్దాము. హీ ఈజ్ పూర్, హీ ఈజ్ హానెస్ట్. దీస్ ఆర్ టూ సింపుల్ సెంటెన్సెస్ హియర్. హీ ఈజ్ పూర్ one sentence, he is honest is another sentence. He is poor but honest. This is a compound sentence. Here we use but as a conjunction in the compound sentence. Though he is poor, he is honest. This is one complex sentence. In complex sentences, we use a clause that is though. Though he is here clause, so though he is poor, he is honest is the complex sentence. So we see three types of sentences in this video. One is two simple sentences, and another one is a compound sentence, and third one is a complex sentence.